Hi guys, Janelle
Hi.
and Alex here for your October Saints and Sinners Bellabox unboxing.
So before we get into it, as always, I want to explain to you guys a little bit about Bellabox. So for those Bellas who've been with us for a while, you all know very well how we work, so sit tight. For those of you who are new to us, Bellabox is a beauty subscription service. So the whole idea is that, there's so many beauty products out there. It's a bit overwhelming to know what to try, what you'll love, what will work for your skin. So really what we're all about is bringing you the latest and greatest in what's great in the beauty world. You try it. A lot of it is samples. So the idea is you give it a try rather than committing to the full size. If you love it, then you can go out and purchase a full size. So it's all about beauty discovery and trying smaller versions of things that you might love. And so we send out the box in the middle of the month every month. So the first half of the month is really about getting you guys excited about what's in the box, and then the boxes go out from the 15th every month. So depending on where you live in Australia, that's when you can expect it.
Yes, exactly. You also get 5 products every month with a bonus item.
That's right.
So let's get right into it with our first product.
Great, so the first product that I have for you guys, which we did an opt-in for, so hopefully you got in time to tell us which one you would prefer, is a brand that we've never worked with before, and we're so excited to be working with an Australian cult classic brand of Australis.
Yes.
So these are their Fresh and Flawless pressed powder which is oil and fragrance free. So we have these in 4 shades: darkest olive, natural, medium tan, and light beige. Now these are fantastic for keeping the shine off your face. So you can use these as a replacement for foundation or over the top of your foundation to set it. They're packed full of skin perfecting ingredients and really just gets rid of that shine on top of your makeup. So I love using these like underneath my eyes just to, get rid of any look of puffiness or anything like that, and just in the T-zone especially, where you tend to get a little bit shiny. But I'm so excited for you guys to try these because this is their top selling product in Priceline. So I'm really, really excited to hear what you guys think. And if you didn't get a chance to opt in, we will be allocating based on what you told us your skin tone is in the beauty guide article, but we're going to do the best possible job we can at that.
Australis is also vegan friendly and they do not test in animals. So we absolutely love that.
Amazing.
So moving on to products that some of you will be receiving. First up, we have the Narciso Rodriguez Pure Musk for her sample perfume. We all know how much you guys love trying out new perfumes. We know that you absolutely love the Aqua de Parma we did in February, so we're gonna try something new this month. This is in a bit of a musky scent with some hints of floral, and it's also available in David Jones and Meyer. We know you guys will absolutely love this one, so do let us know what you think.
The next product I have for you guys is from a brand that we haven't worked with, I think, for probably coming on to 3 years. So I'm really excited to be working with them again. Innisfree is such a cult classic Korean brand. So these 2 products, some of you will be receiving. So this is from the Jeju range and the island, I should say. So this is the Jeju Volcanic Pore Toner ×2. So this is really refreshing, a really refreshing wipe off toner with volcanic clusters. It'll help remove excess oil and impurities from the face. So you just put it on a little cotton bud, put it all around your face, and your face will be instantly toned and refreshed. And then this one is their their volcanic clay mask, which is twice as powerful in absorbing excess oils and impurities, containing exfoliating ingredients to wipe off skin cells with the Jeju volcanic clusters, which absorbs excess oil as well. So this is a perfect size to try.
Super cute.
Yes, so cute. And they have stores in Melbourne and Sydney. So if you are local to Melbourne and Sydney, definitely go and check out the stores. They are always so helpful in there.
And they're always so beautiful.
Yeah, and the stores are beautiful, and they have so much exciting product. I never leave empty-handed, even though obviously skincare is the last thing I need. But anyway, definitely worth checking out.
Very exciting. The next product that some of you will be receiving is from Suncents, and it is their Sensitive Invisible SPF 50. Now this is specifically for sensitive skin, but obviously all types of skin can use this. It has a light and invisible finish, so you know that it won't affect your makeup application, or it won't cause any shadowing when you take photos or anything like that. It's also coming into the summertime, so we know this will be very handy, and you can use this for your face and body.
Yes, correct. Even though it is still freezing in Melbourne.
I know. We're still in knits.
Yes, we're still in knits. I did notice that the UV has actually gone up, I think, to about 6, which is technically quite high. So
protected.
so on that, I have another sunscreen for you guys. This is from Banana Boat. It's made with naturally sourced zinc and provides a SPF level of 50, which is amazing. It is also for sensitive skin, but as Janelle mentioned, anyone can use things with sensitive skin. So it's also hypoallergenic and made without oxybenzone and parabens as well. It's a gentle and effective formula which really nourishes the skin, yeah, and it's easy to apply.
Very good sample
Even
size
with
as well.
makeup. Yeah, 60 grams, perfect.
Amazing. I'm moving on to another product that some of you will be receiving, and it's a hand sanitizer from the Balnia Body Company. This is their instant hand sanitizer, so this kills 99.9% of germs. It also is a no-rinse formula, so that's great when you're out and about and you can't wash your hands for any reason like that. It's also coming into the time where everyone's starting to get sick, so it's just great to just keep sanitized and keep clean.
Yes, so good to have in your bag,
Yeah,
or in your car, or just anywhere
really.
Anywhere out and about.
Yes.
So the next product I have that some of you will be receiving is 2 products from Palmer's. So one is the coconut oil antioxidant firming lotion, and the other is the coconut oil body lotion. As with all Palmer's products, there are no parabens, no mineral oil, no gluten, sulfates or dyes. So they're always fantastic. Both products are deeply moisturizing and will leave skin nourished, silky and firmer. So we've sampled one of these before and always had really fantastic responses from you guys, so looking forward to hearing your thoughts as always.
Awesome. Moving on, we have a shampoo and conditioner set from Sunsilk, and it is from their Addictive Brilliant Shine range. So this has an exclusive formula that has pearl extract and 5 natural oils, so it will really help with the shininess of your hair. They're also super cute and very easy to travel with because of the size.
Love it. So the next product I have to show you guys is, now I want to just be clear because there are some restrictions with sampling fragrances. Unfortunately, we can't send fragrances everywhere. So for those of you who live in Tassie, you will not be sampling the fragrance. So instead you will be getting this Vitamark sleep-in mask. So Vitamark do amazing Korean face masks. This is perfect to brighten and hydrate your skin, and it's so cute. I love a sleeping mask that you can just put on, go to sleep and wake up with hydrated, bouncy skin, and Vitamark are definitely leading the way in these amazing Korean technologies. So those of you in Tassie, I'm excited to hear what you think of this.
Very cute. And now onto the bonus product. You guys will be receiving this water wipes facial wipe. It's specifically for sensitive skin, but like what we mentioned before, anyone can use this. There's no fragrance, no alcohol, so you don't have to worry about any irritation or anything like that. And we know that you guys will enjoy this one.
Water wipes are such a favorite because they do baby wipes, and a lot of you I know use them even though you don't have babies, and a lot of you with babies use them, so I'm sure that you guys will all enjoy that. The last thing I have for you guys is a little bit of a treat. So our friends at Glam Corner have extended an offer to our Bellas. So it's $50 off your first month of premium membership. So basically Glam Corner, if you don't already know what Glam Corner is, if you have an event coming up or you don't want to, fork out a whole bunch of money for a new dress that you're only going to wear once, it's an amazing dress rental place. But the good thing about Glam Corner is they don't just do events and dress rentals, they do everyday clothes as well. So if you're anything like me and you're a fashion tragic and you just love shopping and you love buying clothes but you don't always get the wear out of them, this is a great thing to do. So this premium membership will give you access to an unlimited collection of designer clothes starting from just $99 per month, and this is a $50 off your first month
Great value.
offer. Yeah. So there's a little Bellabox 50 code for our Bellas, and I'm looking forward to seeing some outfits that you create with this one.
Do tag us in your outfits of the day.
Yes, absolutely. I've got some, I've done this before, and I've got some friends that do it, and it's so nice to reinvigorate the wardrobe every now and then send them back when you're done.
Yes. Great. That wraps up our October unboxing. We hope you guys are excited for all the goodies that you could be receiving this month. Let us know what you're most excited to try, what kind of tutorials you want to see from us, and anything else like that. And until next time, bye guys.
Bye.